Samsung has announced a couple of wireless chargers for the Indian market. The first is a 10,000 wireless power bank that aims to offer the convenience of charging devices on the go, while the other is a new wireless charger duopad that allows you to charge multiple devices at the same time. The two new chargers are Qi certified, which means users can charge Galaxy phones and other Qi certified phones and devices. The 10,000 wireless power bank is priced at Rs 3,699 and will be available in silver and pink colors. The wireless charger duopad, on the other hand, costs Rs 5,999 and will be available in black and white colors. Both the wireless chargers will go on sale across leading retail stores, Samsung eShop and Samsung Opera House. They will also be available on Amazon and Flipkart soon. Talking about the wireless power bank first, it comes in a strong and slim aluminium body. As mentioned above, it gets a large 10,000 mAh capacity and the ability to charge two devices at once, one though wireless and the other wired. Notably, the charger supports adaptive fast charging and quick charge 2.0 in both wired and wireless charging. Compatible devices for wireless charging include Galaxy S series, Galaxy Note series, Galaxy Buds, Galaxy Watch and all Qi certified devices. The new wireless charger Duo, meanwhile, comes with Fast Charge 2.0, which promises to charge the Galaxy S10 devices up to 30 minutes faster compared to previous versions. The charging pad is big enough to wirelessly charge two devices simultaneously. Keeping the wearable ecosystem in mind, users can charge a smartphone as well as a wearable like Galaxy Watch at the same time. The Galaxy Buds can also be charged as can any other Qi certified device. At Samsung, we aspire to do what can't be done. The new wireless charging devices, with their best-in-class technology and gorgeous design, are yet another example of Samsung's first innovations aimed to deliver distinct experiences to our consumers. The wireless power bank and wireless charging duopad will be a perfect fit for new-age consumers who are always connected and on the go. We hope that our new wireless charging devices will delight our consumers by giving them a seamless experience of a truly wireless life, said Aditya Babar, Director, Mobile Business, Samsung India. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.